In this video, I'm going to show you how you can mute notifications on ClickUp. So if you're receiving a lot of notifications, maybe from ClickUp channel or from the tasks or groups that you belong to, then the best thing you need to do is to go ahead and mute them if you no longer need them. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. All right, so the first thing you need to do is to head up here in your ClickUp account under your name and then click on it. From here, you can see we have an option to mute notifications. You can choose whether you want to mute it for 30 minutes or you can as well mute it after 1 week. So go ahead and choose the appropriate time for you. You can also use custom date and time, and this will help you specify the length of period that you want to mute if it's not amongst these. For instance, I just want to mute until tomorrow. I'll just select that. And now you can see we have another sign here showing online. However, I've just muted notifications until a particular time. Unmute, come back again to this unmute, and then now you can click on resume notifications and the notifications will now be available for you. So that's how you can mute and unmute notifications on ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.